Hello, my friend. Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Hopefully always in good health and safe. In this video, I will show you 3 tips and tricks to make generative art more colorful. And I thank you for your support for this channel. Thank you so much. The first step is to enter the Midjourney account and, as usual, type /imagine prompt, then write hot dog. Then the Midjourney bot will make food called hot dogs. Okay, we type /imagine prompt, then write hot : then space and write dog, then enter. Wow, that's amazing, just using colons with the same keywords, but the results are different. It is not a hot dog like food, but a hot dog in a different sense, like a dog on fire. So the function of the colon is to separate 2 different objects, or you could say it only brings up one object with a colon as a word separator. Okay, I'll try again. Type /imagine prompt, enter the word beach and coconut. I try to separate it with a colon in the beach section, and I fill in the number 2. Then I enter the number 1 in the coconut section, then press enter. Wow, very good. Basically, if we enter a number in front of the colon, then the Midjourney bot will create generative art according to the number entered. If the number entered is smaller, then it is likely that the resulting image will be displayed according to the previous word. The second step, type /imagine prompt, then enter the word cyberpunk on office. Add the stripe prompt code seed 777 inches and stripe Aiart 3 to 2, then enter. The Midjourney bot uses a seed number to create a field of visual noise, like television static, as a starting point to generate the initial image grids. Seed numbers are generated randomly for each image but can be specified with the seed or same seed parameter. Using the same seed number and prompt will produce similar ending images. If no seed is specified, Midjourney will use a randomly generated seed number, producing a wide variety of options each time a prompt is used. After typing the /blend command, you will be prompted to upload 2 photos. Drag and drop images from your hard drive or add images from your photo library when using a mobile device. To add more images, select the optional options field and select image 3, image 4, or image 5. The /blend command may take longer to start than other commands because your images must be uploaded before the Midjourney bot can process your request. Blended images have a default 1 aspect ratio, but you can use the optional dimensions field to select between a square aspect ratio, 1:1, portrait aspect ratio, 2:3, or landscape aspect ratio, 3:2. Custom suffixes are added to the end of /blend prompts like any other /imagine prompt. Aspect ratios specified as part of the /blend command override aspect ratios within a custom suffix. If you need the link, I saved it in the video description for you to learn. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.